Hi everyone, this is Abrar. Welcome to Abrar Knowledge Channel. Today I will be explaining about how to use, how to calculate CP and CPK using Excel and as well as in the Minitab. So thank you for the request, and I'm going to explain based on your request which you have posted in the YouTube. So I have taken for the study purpose. I have taken an example of wire. So all these reading what you see here is in the So the target is 9 and the tolerance is zero point 0.5 plus or minus. That means if you minus it, you will get the LSL 8.5 and USL is 9.5. I have taken 25 readings. Okay, so that means n equal to 25, and this is a process average. In the Minitab it's called it as x double bar. So these average, so 8.64. So the same thing, I have used the formula here, b2 to b2 to b26. This is my b2 and until b26, and sigma value is 0.05. And how to calculate CP. So this is we discussed in the previous video. The formula is USL minus LSL, USL minus LSL by 6 sigma. So by substituting all of these value, you get this 3.3, and CPK is minimum of USL minus the process average by 3 sigma, or you can take LSL minus x double bar by 3 sigma. So in these both the values I substituted for CP. So we need to consider the minimum value. So the minimum value is 0.92. 0.92, yeah. So let's see how this can be done in Excel, Minitab. Sorry. So copy this value. Have a go to Minitab and just move around this one a bit, and then paste these values. So all of these value got pasted. I'm just double checking it. Yeah. So all these value are got pasted. So you go to start and quality tools. In the quality tools you have process analysis. Pick this up, and normal. So since my data is normal, I'm going to select that one. And so reading is single column. I'm gonna hit reading diameter, and subgroup size is 25 for me, and lower specification is 8.5, upper is 9.5. And you can also do, like, you can go to options, you can set the target also as well. So here target is 9, and click OK. So this is the graph, you will get it. So in this one it says like the same thing, LSL 8.5, target is 9, USL is 9.5, sample mean is 8.64. That's the same thing we got in Excel. Number of observation is 25, and the standard is 0.05. So if you look at here, is CP is 3.3, which is really excellent, because anything beyond 2 is considered to be beyond Six Sigma process. When it comes to CPK is 0.92. So this clearly shows that process, we still there is an opportunity to have an improvement, because it's only one sided. That means the high chances that if the value falls lower than the lower limit, let's say if the value falls 8.5 or less than 8.5, it can have a rejections to it. So you hope you remember these values. So this is what I discussed in my previous video also as well, like 0.33 if it is CPK, it's a 1 sigma, and all the way goes to 2 is 6 sigma. So we got 0.92 roughly, I will consider it as 1. So 1 is 3 sigma. For 3 sigma, this is the percentage you will get it. So your yield percentage will be 93.33. Yeah. So let me go back to this one. So let's say I wanted to make a little bit more changes. Let's say I have seen that the process is all these values are only within the only one sided. Let just for the study purpose, let me change the values and demonstrate to you. Go to this show worksheet folder and just hypothetically take an example of let's say I'm taking value of 9. Let's say 20 values I pasted as 9, just and go to start, quality quality tools and capability analysis, normal, again the same thing. So here if you see, again the values are within the target, but is still some of these values are going closer to LSL. That means it's not a good sign. So what you have to do is you have to bring your process closer to the target, so that your process centerness will be good and CPK will improve. Let me do that. Point nine. Some values I'm just feeding in. So just have a go to start, quality tools and capability analysis, normal, and 25 observing same. You can just give OK. So this is the perfect one. So if you see here, all these values are in the target, falling under the target. Or this is, if you see here, CP is 8.25 and CPK is 8.18, which is considered to be the best one. So the chances of error are very, very, very minimum. So always remember one more thing, like always CPK value will be lesser than CP value. So thank you so much. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment, and you have a nice day ahead. Please do share and subscribe.